In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your LinkedIn account without using an email or your password. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the LinkedIn website or go ahead and install the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Then go ahead and select on this option that says sign in with email. Then what we need to do is we need to press on this button over here that says forget password. Now, if you also forgot your email or phone number, do not worry because there's still a way that we can recover our account. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and just put in any email. So literally put in any email over here. It doesn't really matter as long as it is valid. And then it is going to say, let's do a quick security check. So let's go ahead and press on verify. And then it's going to make us do like a CAPTCHA over here, which should be relatively easy. But there you go, guys. We were able to do it just like so. And now it is going to go ahead and send a code to that Gmail. And then you will now notice that we will have a button over here that says can't access this email. So all we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on that. And then it is going to give us a QR code. So all we need to do is we need to open the camera app on a mobile device, scan the QR code on the left, and then it is going to take us to some more steps on our device. All right, then once you're over here, go ahead and enter in the new email address that what you would like to use for your LinkedIn account. And then there is also an option to include your LinkedIn public profile, but this is completely optional. Go ahead and press on continue once you're done, and then it's going to make you do some verification. So go ahead and choose the country that issued your ID. So for me, it is the United States. So I would go ahead and scroll down and select on the United States. Then go ahead and press on continue, and then it is going to ask you to verify your identity to continue. So from here, it is now going to say getting started. So go ahead and press on I agree and I consent. And then all we need to do is we need to press on this button that says accept and continue. Okay, so then it's going to make you take a selfie of yourself. So go ahead and press on get started, and then go ahead and press on allow while visiting the site. All right, then you need to verify that it's actually you using one of these options. We got driver license, passport, state ID, work permit. So go ahead and put in what is most convenient for you. And then all you need to do is you need to scan it with your phone, and then go ahead and press on go to homepage just like so. And now it is going to log you back into your LinkedIn account. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.